We'll get to those charges against a Wake County teacher following a WRL investigation and the dangerous heat headed our way in just a moment. But we do need to begin with breaking news this noon.
Ken Smith is in the WRAL Live Center with a decision by the High Court that makes it harder to charge the January 6th riot defendants, Ken.
Michelle and Jeff, this is just into our newsroom. Federal prosecutors improperly charged a January 6th defendant with obstruction. A divided Supreme Court ruled today, likely upending many cases against rioters who disrupted the certification of the 2020 presidential campaign. Now, after the January 6, 2021 attack on the Capitol, federal prosecutors charged more than 350 participants in the pro-Trump mob with obstructing or impeding an official proceeding. Now, writing for the majority, Chief Justice Roberts said the government's broad reading of the statute would give prosecutors too much discretion to seek a 20-year maximum sentence for acts Congress saw fit to punish only with far shorter terms of imprisonment. Now, in its biggest decision on homelessness in decades, the U.S. Supreme Court also today ruled that cities can ban people from sleeping and camping out in public places. The justices, in a 6-3 decision, along with ideological lines, overturned lower court rulings that deemed it cruel and unusual under the 8th Amendment to punish people for sleeping outside if they had nowhere else to go. Now, writing for the majority, Chief Justice Gorsuch, I should say, said homelessness is complex. Its causes are many, but he said federal judges do not have any special competence to decide how cities should deal with this. In a dissent, Justice Sotomayor said the decision focused only on the needs of cities, but not on the most vulnerable. These are two decisions we'll continue to follow all throughout the afternoon here on WRAL.